Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Propy token. Now the Propy token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 5th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Propy Incorporated, the pioneer of Web3 real estate, digitizing ownership and transacting property on-chain, is coming to Mexc Global. So this token will be listed on Mexc January 5th, 15 hours UTC time. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PRO, P-R-O, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage is propy.com. Over there, you can click on the buy section and it goes to I am a buyer. So they have featured listings, find an agent, browse all listings, title and escrow, crypto certified agent course, pricing, transaction platform, offer management, meta agent course, how-to guides, case studies, Propy's blog, and webinars. Now for selling, you can sell with Propy, all sorts of the same things, but they have different ones like sell as an NFT, pricing, webinars, case studies, blogs, talk to an agent, all sorts of stuff like that. Then if you are an agent, there's a section for them as well. So you can get certified, you can get a newsletter, there's how-to guides, there's memberships, buy a property, list a property, browse all listings, etc. There's a title and escrow section, getting started, sign in. You can click on I'm just curious if you don't want to click on agent, buyer, seller, and you can review information that way. So Propy AI, close faster and more securely with Propy AI, 24/7 real estate closing. We leverage artificial intelligence and blockchain technology for smooth and secure transactions. Find out how Propy leverages AI to enhance your experience. The future of home buying is now. Streamline your transactions from payment to closing. So they have the transaction platform, exchange properties 24/7 around the globe. Title and escrow, quickly and securely close with confidence. And get started today. Complete a quick form and let's get started. Over $4 billion in transactions processed with Propy partners across the USA. So they have an agent leaderboard, and so you can check out these different agents and click on them because they have like how well they've done so far in Propy tokens and things like that. You can check out the full leaderboard. You can check out the featured listings, all sorts of cool stuff. You can generate proof of funds. Get ahead of your next transaction with secure and probable funding for bank transfers or cryptocurrency. So it's research-backed inventions contributing to extensive scientific research from the world's top academic institutions like Harvard, Cambridge, Oxford, Princeton, Stanford, etc. And then they have reviews from their clients as well. And yeah, so they have the NFT marketplace. You can list and sell real-world properties online as non-fungible tokens. There's the Meta Agents, the first NFT avatars specifically for real estate agents with holder benefits. There's the blog, Stay Up to Speed with Propy and the emergence of next-gen real estate technology. There's the Resource Center, from step-by-step guides to ebooks and educational videos for the modern real estate professional. Crypto Agent Certifications, learn and validate cryptocurrency and blockchain understanding. And webinars by Propy, learn about blockchain technology and real estate with experts in the industry. So receive the Real Estate, Prop Tech, and Web3 Pulse, your weekly digest covering the latest innovations and news. You can subscribe to that newsletter. They show properties for sale in Austin, Texas, Los Angeles, Miami. Now there's a career section as well. They also have lots of socials, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So according to their Etherscan, they already have 12,018 holders. So people are most likely getting this off other ways like Uniswap prior to the Mexc global listing. So if you do want to get this token before it gets listed on Mexc, you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Propy token using the contract address that you can find on their Etherscan. This token is most likely listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They got a lot of holders. But you could also find the Etherscan in their listing announcement on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official. They also have, let's see here, a max total supply of 100 million Pro tokens. Token price is around 60 cents, it says. It's actually up 6.21% right now, according to their Etherscan. 8 decimal places on this token. There's a fully diluted market cap of $59,829,000 and a circulating supply market cap of $34,639,000. Now you can join their Telegram, which is basically just at Propy on Telegram. 1,454 members on there. It's a great place to join the discussion. They are leading real-world assets innovators in the RE industry, $4 billion in transactions. They have world's first real estate NFTs, World Economic Forum pioneer, NAR, Tim Draper, partnerships with Berkshire, etc., etc. And then their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there, at Propy Inc. 48,400 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage and their Telegram on the Twitter there. Over 7,400 tweets and a blue verified checkmark as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.